Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see the part 4. So now let us see the chapter endings. That is now in the first one, the evaluate the following. So here, wherever there is a negative exponent, we have to make it to positive in the first case. So first let us see the brackets. So here, this will get flip over, that will be 2 raised to 3 minus, again here this is negative, this also will get flip over, that will be 3. So we usually don't write 3 raised to 1. So anything raised to 1, that is the same number, that will be, this is going to be 3. So and then the whole bracket square. So this 2 cube means this will be, you have to multiply it 3 times. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 3 whole bracket square. So here is 5 square, and which is 25. So now let us see this one. Here again there is a negative exponent in the denominator. So here what are you going to do? This is the numerator, this one will be as it is. So this is going to get flip over. So this is going to be 2 raised to 3. And here the whole bracket negative 3. So now what will you do first? You will solve this one. 1 by 2 cube means this will be 8. And this is negative 3. So now see here, this we have to make it to positive, the exponent. So this is going to get flip over. So that will be 8 cube. And this 8 we can also write this as 2 cube. And this 3 will be here, the exponent. So now what you are going to do, you are going to multiply this into this, because you know the formula a raised to m raised to n, that is going to be a raised to mn. So 2 raised to 9. So 2 raised to 9 means 2 you are going to multiply 9 times. So you can multiply and see, you get the answer 512. Now this one we are going to make this negative exponent to positive. So what are you going to do? The inner bracket negative you are going to keep as it is, that doesn't change. So only you have to flip over. So 8 by negative 3, and this becomes positive. Same over here, you are going to flip over, that will be 9 by 4, and this becomes positive. So now what are you going to do? You are going to multiply this 3 times and this also 3 times. So 8 into 8 into 8, that is 512. And this will be minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3, because that is 3 times, that is going to be minus 27. Here it is going to be 9 square, that is 81. 4 square is going to be 61. So now if you multiply here, you simplify this one. 16 ones are and 16 32s are. And if you don't know that, you can just make it to 512 by 16 means you will keep on dividing. Only the steps are going to be more, but you will get the same answer, you will get 32. So this is going to be, you will get some number over here divided by, keep on dividing till it gets simplified. So here what will be that? 27 ones are, 27 threes are. So now what will you do here? This is going to be 96, but that is going to be negative 96. Even this is negative is in the denominator, you know this is positive. So positive divided by negative will be negative. Or negative divided by positive also is negative. So you can write just negative here also. So negative 96. So now again this is a negative exponent. So this is going to be, this will get flip over, that will be 3 by 4. This minus, again this is a negative one, so this is going to get flip over, that is going to be 4 by 1. Usually we don't write 1. So now this, let us get the same first. Now we can see the denominator is 4. So we are going to multiply by 4. This is the step. So now 4 and this also 4. So what will you do? 3 minus 16 divided by 4 raised to minus 1. Again here minus 16 plus 3 will be minus 13 by 4 raised to minus 1. So now this is a single number. So what are you going to do? Now we are going to make this exponent to positive. So that is going to be 4 by minus 3. So that you can also write this as minus 4 by 13. So this is my 4 by minus 13, and you can also write this as minus 4 by 13. So this is the answer. Now they said find a number by which minus 6 raised to minus 1 should be multiplied so that the product becomes 9 raised to minus 1. So we don't know the number. So now let us write the number. Let the number be x. So this minus 6 raised to minus 1 multiplied by x becomes, this means, is equal to 9 raised to minus 1. So now this is negative, so we'll make it to positive. So that will be 1 by minus 6. This is the same. This again we can make it to positive, that will be 1 by 9. So now x will be, this is on its place. If this goes on the other side, it is going to get flip over, that will be minus 6 by 1. So here we can simplify this, 3 2s are and 3 3s are. So this is going to be minus 2 by 3. So we get the value of x as minus 2 by 3. So we can write here, therefore, minus 6 raised to minus 1 should be multiplied by minus 2 by 3. By what number should 2 by 3 raised to minus 5 be here divided so that the quotient is 2 by 3 raised to 2? So here again we'll take, let the number be x. So this 2 by 3 raised to minus 5, it's given divided. So we will divide this by x, that is 2 by 3 raised to 2. So now what will you do first? You can make this negative to positive by flipping over, that will be 3 by 2. And this one, we have to make it to multiplication. Since we have made this, we have multiplied this, so this is going to get 1 by x. This is the same. So now first let us keep this 1 by x as it is, this the same, and this we are taking it to other side, means what is going to, this will get flip over 2 by 3 raised to 5. So now you can, again this you will keep the same. Can you see the base? These both are 2 by 3. So what happens here, you know the formula, a by b raised to m into a by b raised to n. That will be a by b raised to n plus n. So we are going to, since the base is the same, we are going to add the exponents because this is multiplication. So what will you do? You will write here 2 by 3, 2 plus 5, that is going to be 7. So now we don't want 1 by x, but we just want x. So what is that? We are just going to flip over. Since we just flip this one, so this also should be flipped. So that is going to be 3 by 2 raised to 7. So we can write here, therefore 2 by 3 raised to minus 5 should be divided by 3 by 2 raised to 7. Now here we have to find the reciprocal of. So first thing, we are not going to directly find the reciprocal. First thing, let us solve this problem here, because now this is negative again. Here we have to make it to positive, that will be 2 raised to 2. This division the same. This is negative, now let us make it to positive first. So we have to flip over, that will be 3 by 2 raised to 3. So now here 2 by 2 raised to 2 we'll keep as it is. Now this is division, so we can make it to multiplication. So since we have made this to multiplication, so what happens here? Again this is going to get flip over because we are changing this from division to multiplication, so the other number gets flip over. So again it is going to be 2 by 3, but this is positive, so this is going to positive. So now what will you do? You will write this as it is, 2 raised to 3 divided by 3 raised to 3. That is what is written here. Now we can bring this to, because we can see the base is the same, so we can write here 2 raised to 2 plus 3, because you know a raised to m into a raised to n, that is a raised to m plus n. So we are going to follow that rule. So that is going to be 2 raised to 5, and here is 3 raised to 3. So now 2 raised to 5 means 2 you are going to multiply 5 times. So that is going to be 32. And this 3 you will multiply 3 times, that is going to be 27. So now they asked what is the reciprocal of that. So now we got this one. So reciprocal means that will be 1 by 32 raised to 27. So what is that? This 1 is in the numerator and this is in the denominator. So this will get flip over. So 27 will be in the numerator and 32 will be in the denominator. So hope this is clear. Now here we can directly do here 2 raised to 3 and 5 raised to 3. Again, here we can do 5 raised to 2 and 4 raised to 2. So what we can do, one thing over here, we can see here 2 and 5, but here is 4. So let us keep this first as it is. For this 4, we can write here 4 is equal to 2 raised to 2. So this, for this one, this is 2 raised to 2 and this is the exponent. So now what you can see, this will keep as it is first. So now this is 2 raised to 2 means 2 raised to 4 because a raised to m into n, that is a raised to mn. So this will be 2 raised to 4. So now let us take this one. Now you know this is a raised to m divided by a raised to n, that will be a raised to m minus n. So that is going to be 2 raised to 3 minus 4. So that will be 2 raised to minus 1. So this is here. Now let us take this one 5. Again the same, that is going to be 5 raised to minus 1, the same division. So now we will make this to positive. So since we are making it to positive, this is going to be the reciprocal. Again this we are going to make it to positive, means this 5 is going to be the reciprocal of this one. So 1 by 5. So 1 into 1 is, that is 1. 5 into 2 is, that is going to be 10. So that is 1 by 10. But now this is not done because we want a reciprocal of that. So this is going to get flip over. So that is going to be 10. So reciprocal is 10. Now decide to simplify. So again there is a negative 1. So this gets flip over. So we get 2. For this one, if we negative 1, so with this we flip over. So we get 3. 3, but that is square. This is negative, so we flip over, that will be 4 raised to 2. So this is 2, 3 square, that is 9, 4 square, that is 16. So when you add all these ones, we get 27. This is negative, means we are going to flip over this one, 8 by 3 raised to 2. Negative 3, we'll flip over this one, 5 by 4 raised to 3. So now 64 divided by 9. 5 cube means that will be 125. Divided by 4 cube means 4 into 4 into 4, that is going to be 64. So what happens, this 64 and this 64 gets cut, and here we get 125 by 9. Now let us do this one, 2 raised to minus 1. So this is negative, so this is going to be the reciprocal, 1 by 2. Negative, so 3 is going to be the reciprocal, that is going to be 1 by 3. This division as it is. So negative, so it is going to be 1 by 2. So now what will you do here? You are going to multiply this one. So 1 divided by 6. Now this is the division sign for this one. Let us keep as it is first. This is the same. Now we will change this division to multiplication. Since we have changed this to multiplication, this will get flip over, that is going to be 2. So 2 ones are 2, 3s are. So the answer is 1 by 3. Now here again it is negative. So this is going to get flip over, that will be 5 cube. This is negative. So this is going to get flip over, that will be 4 square. Again this is negative, so that is going to be 6 square. So now what will you do? 125 minus this 16 divided, same sign, 6 6 are 36. When you subtract this, you get 109. This is the same. This is the same. So now we can also write directly as 109 divided by 36, or we can do, because now this is the rule that we just, whenever we say this division like this, we multiply it and then we flip over this number, and that is nothing but 109 divided by 36. So both ways we can do it. This is negative. So you are going to flip over 5 by 6. This is 6 and not 56. So I'll make it more clear. So this will get flip over, that will be 5 raised to 6 divided by 8 raised to 6. And this is going to be 3. This is positive. This is the same. Again for this one, flip over, that will be 5 by 8 raised to 18. So now what you can see here, because we know the rule, a raised to m divided into n, that will be a raised to mn. So this is multiplication. So 5 is to 18. And again, this also should be, because there is a denominator in this, again there is a exponent over here, that should be 18. Same, 5 is to 18, 8 is to 18. So now we will write this the same. Now this is division, we'll make it to multiplication. Since we have multiplied this, this will get flip over. So 8 by 18 divided by 5 by 18. So this is going to be 1. Again, this is going to be 1. So the whole answer, this is 1. So this is now minus, here the negative exponent. So what we are going to do here, one thing, because both the places we can make it to negative and then we can change it, or we can do one thing, because now we have both the places negative 10. So we can, whenever the exponent both are same, we can also write this one. So this should be multiplied and together we can take negative 10 over here, the exponent over here. That is the rule. If this is same, this should be multiplied here. So now 2 ones are 2 twos are. So this is going to be 1 by 10 raised to minus 10. And this will be, we want to make it to positive now. So that will be 10 raised to 10. Now find the value of x for the following. Now look at here. These are the very important problems. And here 5 is to 2x plus 1 divided by 25 is equal to 125. So now let us do this one. We can bring this in terms of 5. Now see here, this will write as it is. 25 is nothing but 5 square is 25. So we'll write here for this one as 5 square. And 125 is nothing but 5 raised to 3. That is going to be 125. So now what you can do, this you will keep as it is, because we want to find the value of x. Now see here, this will let us multiply this. If this goes 5 raised to 2 goes on the other side. So 5 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 2. So now this, let us keep as it is. Now this is a raised to m into a raised to n. That will be a raised to m plus n. So the base, that is the same. So you will write your 5 raised to, you are going to add the exponent. So that will be 3 plus 2, that is going to be 5. Now can you see the both places, the base is the same. If the base is the same, that is a rule, the exponent should be same. So we have to ignore the bases. So just we'll consider this 2x plus 1 is equal to 5. So 2x is equal to 5 plus 1 goes on the other side, that will be minus 1. So 2x is 4. So x will be 4 divided by 2. So x is 2. So value of x is 2. Now let us see for this one. Here you can see both the base is the same. So what will you do? This is a raised to m into a raised to n. So we can write here a raised to m plus n. So we will add the exponents and this let us keep same. So now what you can see here, 6 plus 2, that is plus 8. And the other things are same. Now let us keep right hand side the same. So now since the bases are same, the exponent should be same. So let us ignore the bases. So x plus 8 is equal to 15. So x is equal to 15 plus 8, that is minus 8. So x is 7. Now here, can you see this one? This is a raised to m divided by a raised to n. So because the base is the same, that is going to be a raised to m minus n. So this is the base and this you are going to subtract 5 minus 3. This is 9 by 16. So when you subtract this, that is going to be x square is 9 by 16. So x is going to be, so when you square both sides, so that is going to be 3 by 4, because this both are the perfect square. 9 and 16 are perfect square. 3 3s are 9 and 4 4s are 16. So that is 3 by 4. So now the next one, here we can see this is 6 raised to this one, but now 36 means that is going to be 6 square. That is 6 into 6, that is going to be 36. And this 216 means that is cube of that, 6 into 6 into 6, that is 216. So this will keep as it is. We'll write for this one as 6 square. For this one we can write as 6 cube. So now this will keep as it is. This will take on this side. So that will be 6 cube into 6 square. this the same, the first rule, a raised to m into a raised to n, because we will add the exponents. That is going to be 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Now the base is the same, so the exponent should be same. Ignore the bases. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 5. So 2x will be 5 minus 1. So 2x is 4. X is going to be 4 by 2. That is, x is 2. Now here we can see all the base, we can see 5. So only the thing is we are going to use the rule over here, that is a raised to m divided by a raised to n, that will be a raised to m minus n. So be careful with this sign. So now this is m minus from the formula, and this is minus 3. So we have to put a bracket over here, and this is the same. So what will you write here? Minus and minus will going to be plus, rest all the same. So now the bases are same, means the exponent should be same. So ignore the bases. So x plus 3 is equal to 5. So x is going to be 5 plus 3 goes on the other side, that is going to be minus 3. So x is 2. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.